Hello, amazing learners. Welcome to Enlighten Pro. In this episode, you will hear a short story about Mark getting sick from food. You will practice listening, speaking, learn new vocabulary, answer questions, and review tenses. By the end of this episode, you will feel more confident using English in real-life situations. Let's get started with the story. Mark doesn't feel well, so he stays in bed. He feels weak, nauseous, and very tired. His head and stomach hurt, and he doesn't want to eat or drink much. Mark's father worries and takes him to the doctor. After examining him, the doctor says Mark has food poisoning and is dehydrated. The doctor tells Mark to rest, drink plenty of water, and take medicine twice a day. Mark remembers eating street food the day before and thinks it caused the problem. Mark goes home, rests, and slowly starts to feel better. Now we will practice questions and answers about the story. We will hear the story step by step. After each short part, listen to the questions and answer out loud. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Mark doesn't feel well, so he stays in bed. He feels weak and very tired. Does Mark feel good? No, he does not feel good. He feels sick. Is Mark active and full of energy? No, he is not active. He feels very tired. Does Mark stay in bed or go outside? He stays in bed. Mark's father worries and takes him to the doctor. Who worries about Mark? His father worries about him. Does Mark go to the doctor alone? No, he does not. His father takes him. The doctor examines Mark and says he has food poisoning. Does the doctor examine Mark or ignore him? He examines Mark. Does Mark have food poisoning or a cold? He has food poisoning. What does food poisoning mean? It means getting sick after eating bad or unsafe food. The doctor says Mark is dehydrated. He tells him to rest, drink water, and take medicine twice a day. Is Mark dehydrated or full of energy? He is dehydrated. What does dehydrated mean? It means the body does not have enough water. Does the doctor tell Mark to exercise? No, he tells him to rest. How often does Mark take the medicine? He takes it twice a day. Mark remembers eating street food the day before. He thinks the food made him sick. Does Mark think the food was fresh? No, he does not. Does Mark think the food caused the problem? Yes, he thinks it caused the problem. Point of view, past simple. Now let's look at the story from the past tense perspective. This will help you practice using past simple verbs while reviewing what happened to Mark. Yesterday, Mark felt very sick. He stayed in bed because he had nausea, a headache, and stomach problems. His father drove him to the doctor and explained everything. The doctor examined Mark and discovered that he had food poisoning. Because Mark was dehydrated, the doctor told him to rest, drink water, and take strong medicine twice a day. Mark believed the illness came from food he ate downtown the day before. Point of view 2, future. Next, let's imagine what will happen tomorrow. This section will help you practice future tense while thinking about Mark's recovery. Tomorrow, Mark will feel better. He will continue resting in bed and drinking water. He will take his medicine 2 times a day. His body will slowly recover. In the future, Mark will be more careful about the food he eats. Key vocabulary. Speak the words. Here are some important words from today's story. Learn their meaning and practice saying them out loud to improve your English vocabulary. Food poisoning, illness from bad food. Nauseous, feeling like you want to vomit. Dehydrated, not enough water in the body. Examine, to check carefully. Prescribe, to tell someone to take medicine. Recover, to become healthy again. Great job completing this episode. To improve your English faster, listen to this story several times and answer the questions out loud each time. Try to use the new words in your own sentences and share your answers in the comments. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Keep repeating and have fun with English.